from this to this. Let's see how to create a Shell Scheme Booth Mockup using a Photoshop action. Never used a Photoshop action before? No worries. Creating your mockup is super easy, it only takes a few clicks. Let's begin. Inside your downloaded folder, look for the action file. It's the one with the ATN extension. The action file creates a placeholder for your design, and with one click, transforms your flat book cover into a 3D mockup. Load this action file into your Photoshop Actions panel. In the latest version of Photoshop, you can simply drag and drop the file into the workspace, and it will automatically load into the Actions panel. As an alternative, for older versions of Photoshop, you can also drag and drop it directly into the Actions panel. If you can't see the Actions panel, go to the Window menu and enable Actions. You should now see it listed in the Actions panel. Start by selecting the Starter Template action, then click the Play button. Once it's finished, Photoshop will create a placeholder for your design. The starter template is ready. You can now add your design to the placeholder. Before running the next action, make sure the border guide and background layers remain unchanged and visible. I've included a ready-made sample PSD template for anyone starting from scratch. Simply customize the text, replace the images, and add your own logos to create your design. Let's treat this as your finished design, ready to be converted into a 3D mockup. Now, select the Render 3D action and hit Play. Allow a moment for the action to process. Please be patient during this step. Render 3D complete. You can now resize your final rendered image and export it for web. But what if you prefer the framed fascia instead of the seamless fascia? No problem, let's see how to switch it. For this particular mockup, I've included an additional action step specifically for this purpose. But before that, let's take a look at the actual size of the finished mockup. Let's collapse the drop-down for each layer group first. You can also create a transparent background version by hiding the background layer, allowing your mockup to blend seamlessly with your website. Let's take a look at the actual size of the image generated by our action. Most of our actions produce mockups at 300 pixels per inch, which is our standard resolution for print quality and also sharp enough for web display. To add the fascia frames, simply select the third action and click Play. Your mockup is ready. Resize it to any dimensions you need, then export it. If you'd like a detailed walkthrough, be sure to check out the dedicated resizing and export tutorial on my channel. I almost forgot. To remove the table from the scene, simply hide the CounterDesk layer group. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more mockup tutorials and upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.